A nation shaped by ocean and light. The Maldives, where blue begins.
Southwest of India and Sri Lanka, 26 coral atolls scatter more than 1,000 islands across the Indian Ocean. In the shallows, water turns to glass. Sunlight sketches silver paths that drift with the breeze.
The sand is sifted flour, the shore breathing in and out, slow, steady, timeless.
From mint green lagoons to sapphire walls, life hangs in the blue, reefs that glow with borrowed starlight.
At dawn the sea lies still as thought.
Evening sets the palms in motion, painting gold across the tide line and the air itself. A sandbar threads the open water. Footsteps write their stories. Waves erase them clean. Islands of hospitality float between sky and reef. Overwater villas perched above clear, living lagoons. Inside, the horizon is the artwork. Doors open, and the ocean answers. Beneath your feet, a moving tapestry, parrotfish, sergeant majors, and clownfish, colors stitching the reef. Lanterns, warm sand, quiet surf, barefoot luxury, unforced, attentive, and human.
Mask down, world up. Coral gardens bustle just meters from shore. Easy, effortless wonder.
Reef sharks patrol the edge, curious, confident, utterly at home in their clear cathedral.
Mantas loop like planets, soaring on invisible highways of tide and moon. A turtle cruises by, unhurried. Here, time moves at sea speed.
One paddle, one breath. The lagoon mirrors sky. Morning begins in balance.
Kayaks trace the ripples below, shadows sliding like ink across sand.
For speed, carve clean arcs, reading the water, leaving only a fleeting signature of foam.
From above, the atoll becomes geometry, boat, canopy, cloud, and the great turquoise field.
Restoration begins one branch at a time. Hands tie new coral to frames. Futures take root.
Science meets stewardship. Notes and numbers tell the reef's pulse and guide its protection.
After dark, the sea whispers in blue sparks. The shoreline flickers, living light.
Fish burst like fireworks, fusilias and anthias, turning the water into a moving tapestry.
Above the tide, palms and pandanus write calligraphy against a patient sky.
On local islands, markets hum, coconuts, bright fruit, and greetings easy as the weather.
A great blue heron waits, still as driftwood. Patience is the hunter's craft.
At dusk, Malayan flying foxes cross an apricot sky. Night's first handwriting.
The dhoni moves by wind and wisdom, a silhouette carried across tradition.
Boduberu drums speak in rhythm. Language here is Divehi and the sea.
From ocean to plate, mashuni with coconut and lime, charred reef fish, mango sweet as sun.
Wellness floats above the lagoon. The sea becomes the soundtrack.
A hammock, two palms, and time that finally loosens its grip.
Look at that color! It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Whoa, look at that sky!
Heads up, it's coming over.
Spike it!